Hello everyone, my name is Prakash Kumar Tiwari. I am French teacher. I am going to teach French because of the COVID-19. We have to teach online classes. So we start our French class. Basically, we are going to start by learning some alphabets, and we are going to found some difference between English and French alphabets. So basically, you are going to find different sound and how to pronounce the French alphabets. Okay, so let's go. Here you can find easily. I have written all letters in English, so I am going to pronounce in French. So you are going to find some difference. In generally, we pronounce like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. But in French, you're going to listen some different sound. Okay, so like we called in French a, a, b, c, d, a, f. Here you can find different. Generally in English we call z, but in French it's like opposite. We call z. So how do we pronounce it? Z, as, e. Here opposite to z we call z, z, k, l, m, n, o, p, q. How to say? Q, r, s, t, u, u, v, w, w, x, y, z. Okay, so we learned how to pronounce the alphabet in French. So I repeat again: a, b, c, d, e, f, J, as, E, Z, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So after complete this alphabet, we will learn also the French vowels. Basically, in French, vowels are six, like a, e, o, u, and we include Y. So in French language, when you make sentence, so often we don't pronounce the last word of sentence. Like I have given here one example. I have given here one example. We called in English like Paris. Okay, Paris. But in French, Paris, Paris, Paris. Okay, so we will also know that which are the words that we can pronounce in the last of sentence. So these are the words: C, F, R, L. So in French, C, F, R, L. So these are the consonant which will pronounce in the last sentence. Okay, so these are the words that we use or we pronounce in the last sentence. So after complete this learning alphabets, vowels and consonant, we are going to learn numbers in French. So we start from 1. We called 1 in French un, 2, deux, 3, trois. How is called? Trois, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 1. Here we can find 70. Why 70 is different than others numbers? Because 17 we use like 10 plus 7. So this plus set, this set. 18 is same. 18 is also same. 10 plus 8. So this width. 19 is also same. 10 plus 9. So these plus nuff, this nuff. Okay. So basically we here we can find difference than other numbers. So this set, this width, this nuff, and last one 1. So till 20 we have to learn in our first class. After that we will learn other numbers. Okay. So as we learn alphabets and numbers in French and some vowels and consonants, and I'm going to teach you like some French greetings. Basically in every language there are some greetings. We call hello, how are you, I'm fine, thank you. Okay, so these are like greetings that very important to speaking in our daily life. Okay, so let's start and let's learn some French greetings. So here we can found bonjour. Bonjour means good morning, hello, hi. So bonjour means good morning, hello, hi. Second is bon après-midi. We call good afternoon. So bon après-midi. How to pronounce it? Bon après-midi. Third is bonsoir. Bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. How to pronounce it? Bonsoir. Fourth is bonne nuit. Fourth is bonne nuit means good night. How to pronounce it is bonne nuit. So here, when you see one person who is elder, so you have to say good morning, sir. Good morning, mister. Okay. So we call in French bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur. And if you find some ma'am, Mrs., we call bonjour, madame. Bonjour, madame. Okay. So let's see here. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, madame. Okay. So next we learn enchanté. Enchanté means nice to meet you. Okay. Nice to meet you. Okay. Enchanté. Enchanté means nice to meet you. Meet you. Next is au revoir. Bye. We can say au revoir, monsieur. Au revoir, madame. Au revoir, monsieur. Au revoir, madame. Au revoir, mama. Au revoir, papa. Okay. So au revoir means bye. A bientôt means see you soon. A bientôt, monsieur. A bientôt, madame. Okay. These are like what we call greetings in French. Okay. Adama. Adama means see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Okay. So Adama, monsieur. Adama, madame. Okay. So I'm repeating here again. Bonjour. Bon après-midi. Bonsoir. Bonne nuit. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, madame. Enchanté. Au revoir. À bientôt. À demain. Au revoir, monsieur. Au revoir, madame. À bientôt, monsieur. À bientôt, madame. À demain, monsieur. À demain, madame. So, these are the greetings that you have to learn. And there are many greetings that I will teach you the next class. So, I hope that this video is very suitable for you to learning some French. See you next class. Bye.